Did I get you there? Chief Sweeper, I've scared him. It's 7:30. It's 7:30, it's a bit too loud. I've hurt my vocal cords now. Right, okay, it's Friday, it's time for the Workshop Walkaround. We have got another super busy day ahead of us, so I'm going to make this earlier, make this quick. Right, so FZ1, he's been dropped off for a full service. That's him for a full bag of tricks, waiting in line nice and patiently. The Triumph 955 is a seized brake, so it's a rear brake issue. I'm looking to my right on the board, Miss Ford. So we've got a fork seal replacement, MOT retest, and it's got a rear brake issue to sort as well. Size Fireblade. Yeah, size Fireblade, that is in for a wheel replacement. We've got, he's sourced a new front wheel. There was an issue with the front wheel when we did the other bits and bobs, so now he's sourced one. So he's got another one to replace that, so we've got a good one. In fact, it's on the floor here. Let's do a flip around a rooney mooney. Boom! There we go, there's a new replacement wheel. So, so here's his Miles. Miles is had a set of, what are they called, Hayden? Way, he's learning. So Michelin Anarchy Adventure 2, I fitted a pair of them and some new rear brake pads, and that's had its first MOT, so that's all sorted, ready to rock and roll. The Ducati 888, yes, you all know about that, you've seen it plenty of times. You can't see it now, I'm doing the wrong thing with the angle of the camera. Right, so yeah, I'm having issues with the tank. Cleaning the tank. It doesn't look like it's actually rusty like I thought, with a bit of prodding around, and I've already tried some Evaporust. It looks like the fuel has been, well, it's been in there 23 years, it's gone off that bad, it's created a hard coating on the inside of the tank. So I need something to get that off, so I'm going to try a few different ways. If anybody's got any suggestions, throw them my way. Right, GSX-R. What's GSX-R for? I don't know. I think Neil's done it. Oh, in fact, that was for fork seals and an intermediate service. That was dropped off with and a retest. Johns is still waiting patiently for the paintwork to come back. And look at that, but it's now got its go faster tank. Can you hear my voice? My voice has gone. All that shouting. So it's got its go faster tank pad on, DMC special edition. Anybody wants one of them, let me know. So yeah, over here. You know, you can't see, I need some lighting. Lighting! Right, okay, that's inside the tank, you see. Yeah. But yeah, I thought it was rust. I should have had a prod around first, I just assumed. But yeah, it's bad juice. It's bad juice. So even though the Evaporust fluid there's a couple of shiny spots in there is a bit of rust in there, but not as much as what I thought. So we need to get some kind of chemical or something to be able to remove all that old fuel. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it for now. So, alright, what we've got coming in, there's no outsiders yet, but what we have got coming in today is 4 intermediate services and a basic and 12 MOTs, so we're pretty busy. So, this is Dr Tepi, checking in and now checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share wherever you see this. In fact, just give me a comment below, tell me if you want to see out special. Or if I've hurt your ears with that good morning. Right, we'll see you in the next one. It's Friday, you know what that means? Hey!